In this video, I'll be discussing with you the signs or feelings that you will have and know that you are having hormonal imbalance or imbalances, depending the number of hormones that you are having issue with. Hormones are like messengers. They are neurotransmitters that help the body to function effectively. That your body is functioning very well is because the hormones are working very good. Now that you are able to eat, that you are hungry, to tell when you are hungry, that you menstruate as a woman, that you get pregnant, or even you as a man, that you're able to function very well, you can able to sleep, wake up. These are because the hormones are working very well. For any reason that will make any of the hormones, either one or two or three, depending, to either secrete too much or secrete little, we call it hormonal imbalance. Many a times people think that hormonal imbalance is only for women or men, maybe who are looking for the fruit of the womb, who are trying to conceive. No. We have more than 50 hormones in the body. Some of them, when they are too much or too little, you may not even notice it. Some, each time there is a reduction or increase in the normal level, you begin to notice changes in your body, or you may even fall sick. Some of them may be imbalanced without you noticing or feeling it, but some as little as the changes they have, you start feeling it immediately. So these hormones help with homeostasis. Homeostasis is like the ability or how your body responds to injury. Just like when there is injury, the blood now clots within some seconds. These hormones also help with metabolism. Metabolism is the way your body break down food and other things. The hormones help with growth and development. It helps with reproduction, mood, sleep and wake cycle, and then sexual functions. So that our body are functioning very well is because the hormones are working effectively. Now, there are things you will start feeling or you will see within yourself. You know that you have hormonal imbalance. Some signs may be general to whether you're a man or a woman. Then some will be now specific to either men or women. So it is like it divided into three. Now, let's discuss about the general signs and symptoms. Whether you're a man or a woman, once you notice any of these signs, just go and see your doctor. One of the signs and symptoms of hormonal imbalance is fatigue. Small thing, you are tired. You always feeling tired. You always wanting to sleep. Little time, you bring a seat and sit down. Every time you are tired. The second point is anxiety and depression. Third is rapid or slow heart rate. Sometimes you will hear your heart beats. Boom, 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 boom. Or you are feeling weak that your heart is not even beating at all. The next one is that you are always constipated. Yes. The next is diarrhea. It may not be a watery diarrhea. It may be you always going to toilet. In a day, you may visit the toilet more than 3 times. Something is wrong somewhere. Then, inability to tolerate warm temperature or cold temperature. When people are cold, you are warm or you are feeling hot. When people are feeling hot, you'll be complaining everywhere is cold. These are signs that something is wrong with your hormone or hormones. The next one is high cholesterol. We have frequent urination. You're always going to the toilet to wee all the time. You're going to the toilet to wee. We have dry skin. You're always feeling dry. And then unexplained weight gain. All of a sudden, you're adding weight. And you'll be like, I don't know. Even I'm fasting, but I don't know. I'm always adding weight. Or unexplained weight loss. You notice that you are reducing in weight. Without any good reason, you are reducing in weight. One of the general signs as well is diabetes mellitus. It can be type 1, type 2, and then gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes are for women who are pregnant. Like, each time the woman gets pregnant, she will develop diabetes. So, it's a hormonal something. Sometimes you feel numbness and tingling of the hand. Some people call it paresthesia. Or we call it paresthesia. You're feeling tingling, or your hand, you'll be as if you're not even feeling your hand. It will be numb. These are the general signs that you are having hormonal imbalance. Then, as a man, the first thing you will notice is that you will lose interest in sex. 2, you start having reduced or loss of body hair. You start losing your hairs. Number 3, there is erectile dysfunction. Yes. Number 4 is that you have what we call gynecomastia. Like, there will be increase in breast tissues. It will start coming out as if you are a woman. And another sign is reduced level of testosterone. Yes, which is one of the causes of infertility in men. Yes. The last is loss or decrease in body mass. You know, as a man, you're supposed to be huge, having a body mass, but all of a sudden, it will start reducing in size. That is to tell you are having hormonal imbalance as a man. Then, as a woman, you start noticing increase in hair, hirsutism, excess hair on your body. You start having acne, that is pimple, your chest and at your upper back. You now start having irregular and heavy period. Then loss of interest to sex. The next one is that you start feeling somehow. The last but not the least is hot flushes. You'll be feeling hot. Even when everywhere is cold, all of a sudden you will start feeling hot inside you, as if you are menopausal. These are the signs that you are having hormonal imbalances. Another sign you'll be having as a woman is anovulation, like you are not ovulating at all. We have infertility. Another one is PCOS. Yes. We have amenorrhea. Amenorrhea is absence of menstrual flow. It's not coming again. Sometimes we have endometriosis. Yes. If any of you is having any of these signs, 1, 2, 3, or 4, please go see your doctor or have a blood test done so that appropriate treatment will be taken and you will be fine again and be able to live your normal life. Most of them can be treated effectively. All you need to do is to know actually what you are having and the cause of it. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer you. Until I see you again in my next video, please do take care of yourself and drink plenty of